Hello everyone, I believe we're all good out there. I'm not taking time to come over to make some video. I've been really busy. I want to apologize to all of you, especially some of you requested me to make special video to cover special technical matters around IBEDC, ECO, Enugu Electric and Port Harcourt Electric. I will see to what I can do about those requests. And those of you talking more about your consumption level, I have those factored into my next work plan too. I will see how I can avail myself to make detailed video to help you understand how to regulate usage and how to maximize your prepaid status as a customer under a disco. Meanwhile, while I'm coming up today, I'm trying to unbox a new meter to you. Very soon it will be your next meter. Who knows? It's actually important that I come out here to help you understand one or two things. So in case you're experiencing any little technical things you can handle yourself, you don't need to cry or maybe stay days out of supply before the disco comes to your aid. These are simple things you can attend to yourself. Now this meter I'm talking about is Mingx, Kigg. That's what the meter looks like. This is the body framework. Meter actually it's PLC, and PLC means the meter needs a pairing code to communicate. The interface is not directly connected with the meter. There are codes you can use. So if it's not paired, just where we've talked about pairing issue, it will definitely return this kind of error message that shows error 01 on your screen. To resolve this is very simple. The pairing code is 200992. Once you press it in, it would automatically load and return succeed for you. And what next? Just dial in your meter number, just the normal way we've taught you on this channel. But the only differentiating factor is that pairing code, which is 200992. Then everything works out well like this. So there are some basic code I would want you to take note of in this meter series. One of the code is to check your meter number. Checking out your meter number on this meter brand, just dial in 601 and that's it. You have your meter numbers displayed on the screen. Then for discos or meter engineer that would want to check things like SGC, you could do that using 616. And if you want to check the tariff index, you can do that using 617. If you want to check the voltage across the terminal at that instance you're there for visit, you can use 631 to check what the voltage is. You can equally check the current with 634 and you have your value. If you want to check credit balance, you can do that using 671 and you have your credit balance. Then if you've started recharging and maybe you want to check what's your credit of recent first token was, you can use 701. And that's just a whole lot of things you can know about this meter. Then for those that want to check KRN or KT, only the disco personnel understand this, you can use 1844 6744 0738 4377 2416. Send it and boom, you have the feedback. You have your KRN value and you have your KT value. This meter brand, these are major manufacturers, and currently on this one you have Kigg. There's actually possibility to see the same meter in your house, maybe another company decide to strike deal with them. It might come with another name, who knows. But the only way you can know that the meter in your vicinity or in your house is actually what I'm referring to, you'll be knowing that using the user interface. Now look at how the user interface is configured. On the right up there, can you see all these query codes available on the user interface? Thank you. Now I believe you've seen these codes. So if you see all these codes arrayed in this manner on your user interface, just know that that meter is this meter I am discussing about, is one that has these query codes. Query codes are peculiar to meter brands. I don't want you guys to be stressed. That's why I'm doing everything I'm doing on this channel, and I know you'll come to appreciate it one day. See you shortly. I'll be coming around to do one or two things that can help the key persons that requested for some kind of video on my channel. All right, to have a lovely moment. Thank you.